To start things off here, you need to select your niche market. So for this example, I've decided on the page that I want to promote to generate traffic. I've decided that I want to be promoting a squeeze page that's in the weight loss niche market. Now, a squeeze page, for those that aren't familiar, is exactly what you're looking at here. It's just a form that basically is set up to squeeze information out of the potential customer. So basically, it's set up so they can either leave the page or they can put in their name and email address, which is so important because then you can promote to them for the long term. And in my opinion, that's the best way to do affiliate marketing. So if you can, and especially once you master this video marketing technique, you're going to want to do this, scale this up and do multiple of these videos. One video is just not going to cut it. One video could get you some traffic, over the long term. But what's going to happen is you're going to want to get 10 videos, 20 videos, 30 videos, and onward, because the more content you can put together out there, the better off you are going to be. So, this is a squeeze page that we've decided to go with. This is in the weight loss niche market. We've selected the niche market already. Okay, so weight loss is kind of the market we're going after. The next step of the process, after you've chosen what page you're going to promote, what that keyword phrase would be about, you want to go on over to Google and you want to type in the following search phrase. It's called the AdWords Keyword Tool External. It's very important that you have the external so you can actually locate this tool, and it will show up. Typically, be the first result. It'll be from adwords.google.com for now. And what you're going to see here is it's going to ask you for a security check. So you can just put in this information, click on submit, and then it's going to further ask you to come up with, put in some keyword ideas, so a word or phrase. Now there's a previous interface or there's the main interface. We're just going to go with the new interface for now. The previous one, we can go over that one a little bit later. So here is the main keyword phrase. Let's just type in the word weight loss. And I like to pick all countries and English, and we'll do all keyword ideas, and let's go ahead and choose search. Okay, so that's going to bring up a large variety of keyword phrases related to weight loss. You can see it's a very large niche market. And if I were to type in here global monthly searches, all I've done here is now I've sorted this out by how many searches people are doing for these particular phrases. So all I'm trying to do here is come up with some potential keyword phrases that look like they get a fair amount of volume, that may be keywords that I could narrow down even more. So let's say quick weight loss. That's 673,000 people a month are looking for that. So I would come on over here and I could copy that and just come up here to where it says word or phrase. And all I've done here now is picked out a niche within that broad niche, weight loss, and now I'm trying to narrow it down to a sub niche. So quick weight loss is kind of what we're going with there. And this gives us some additional options. So lose weight fast, how to lose weight, quick weight loss. And the cool thing is over here you can come in here and choose which ones you want to stay away from and that kind of stuff. So let's just say, how to lose weight fast. That looks like a good keyword phrase to do a video about. So I've created, come up with my keyword phrase. Okay, so how to lose weight fast. It's going to be what our video is going to be about. So I'm just going to open up a notepad file. And they come, you can get them on a Mac or a PC. On a Mac, you can get a program called Text Edit. If you're on a PC, notepads are very easy to find, okay? Just going to be in your start menu. So I'm just going to copy that keyword phrase in here because that's the one we're going to go after, how to lose weight fast. Now before I get ahead of myself, I did want to point this out. For the time being, Google AdWords is allowing you to use the previous interface for their keyword research tool. Now basically this just works like the new one that they are using or trying to have people beta test. So we'll put in, weight loss again. You put in these characters that basically proves that you're a human. Check use synonyms, and instead of it showing up, how it showed up before, it's just going to basically give you the same results, but it's just going to look slightly different. That's really the main difference here. The data is going to be the same and all that. So it's just kind of more of a personal preference, but that's how you use these two different tools. Some people like this one. I kind of like this one because it does give you like a better selection, additional keywords, a little easier to find some of these, to kind of pull from. But it's just a very powerful solution to go for. Okay, so that is the Google AdWords keyword tool. So you've selected your keyword phrase. That is step one, and that is the most important part of the process. Once you've selected that, the next thing you need to do is somehow you want to come up with content that you're going to work with, okay? And this content it can be free and easy to find out there. So what I recommend is you go out here to Google and you type in your niche and you type in the phrase PLR. So let's say we type in here weight loss PLR free. And let's see what we get. Free weight loss private label rights articles. Okay, so if I were to click here, it's probably going to get me to opt into a list. And look at that, I could actually just right click here and download these articles for free. Okay, so there is a set of articles that I could use, or I could come on over here to article directories, and let's just go on over here to ezinearticles.com. And we'll look for a category that best matches. Health and fitness, and then let's just select weight loss. Okay, and let's just start clicking on these and see. So here's some articles. Now what I recommend you do, obviously you don't want to take entire articles from people, but you can take some basic ideas to go from. So you could basically take some basic sentences and different things like that, that kind of stand out to you. So focus on getting 100% proper nutrition, increasing my metabolism. You could put these down into bullet points, but I really sincerely recommend that you look at getting PLR content for your niche market. And really, you can find free PLR for most niche markets. If you cannot, for whatever reason, and these just have to be articles, they don't have to be ebooks or anything like that. If you cannot find something for free related to your niche market, there is a site out there that you see on my screen called the PLR Store. Now, if you're wondering, private label rights, for those that are brand new, private label rights is basically content that you have the rights to repurpose or rebrand and use and call your very own. So it's content that you do not have to create, which I think is extremely powerful for you. So I think that's just huge. So let's just type in weight loss. And you'll see here some ideas here. So here's natural weight loss remedies, PLR articles. So for $3, $2.99, it looks like you can get 25 articles, which would give you more than enough articles, which literally in all actuality 25 articles is going to be more than enough. 25 articles, it's really an article per video, so 25 articles would actually get you 25 videos, which is a lot of traffic. So we really just need one article, but since I found some free PLR articles by just doing my search, free weight loss PLR, I've come to this page. I'm just going to download these, and this is my content. So the first step was to pick your niche market. Second step was to research that niche, and then this third step here is to find content related to your niche market. Once you've done that part of the process, I will go on and we'll show you how to actually turn that content that you have into a video in a very short amount of time. And we're going to talk about that in the upcoming video and also go over some of the free tools that you need to make this work.